now who go on to join the first 3 finalists.
Thanks a lot. Considering you guys are all high school students, I'm very, very impressed about what you did in your presentation. You actually covered practically everything that was stated here in this letter I received. The problems, the solution, the recommendation. Although I would say some groups are actually more detailed than others. But as a matter of fact, you guys are all good. I'll say that.
But all of you have stepped into the restaurant as a host. Okay? Especially John, I think you give all the very detailed description of even the cook that wearing nets or whatever, even the crops on the floor.
Hi to Chiang Kai-shek team, Check Wang team, Philippine Institute of Statistics team, and Thanksgiving team. Congratulations to you guys. You did a very good presentation, and considering that you were given less than a day to do it, good luck.
Thank you, one of the things that we need to learn as we go through this learning journey is to understand about the importance of discovery or insight. What is important about discovery is not just about looking for history or facts, but really looking for insight that you can exploit and convert into a strategy. The way you define your problem is also important. So, for example, I would have loved that some of the groups would mention that this is a case of an underutilized branding issue. This company has brand heritage. They've been operating for over a century. How many companies can claim that they have been operating for over a century? The other areas that I'd like you to improve on is that for some groups, you need really to have eye contact, because some of the groups were just reading, and you didn't have any eye contact with your judges, and I think it's important to also have enthusiasm. Having said that, in behalf of the groups, the Board of Judges would like to announce that the winners, there is a tie, and the tie is between St. Stephen High School and Chiang Kai-shek College.
Hi guys! Hello! Congratulations! Anong feeling na nabigyan uli kayo ng chance na makapasok sa finals?
We feel really happy and relieved.
And ngayon, ready na ba kayo makatapat ang mga ibang challengers?
Yes!
Congratulations also! Ano naman feeling na nakapasok kayo sa finals?
Super happy because it's our second chance and we got it right.
Other than the 3 first-round winners, there are other schools that I think should be involved in the final round. You know, this wildcard round with 2 winners, Chiang Kai-shek and St. Stephen, both schools are very good. Were the 2 schools deserving of this wildcard round? Absolutely yes. I saw the representative of Chiang Kai-shek College during the trial round, and I was very impressed with their observation skills. But St. Stephen is a revelation in this round. I saw that they could, with limited time, they could turn facts into an insight and convert an insight into a strategy. And, I think all these schools will have a very good competition in the final round.
Grabe, now this round is what you can call really, really intense. And congratulations to the teams who made it to the finals. Rounding up our finalists.
当然，我们应该感谢这一轮的参赛者，表现出运动员的风度，他们的精神让我们感到骄傲。
Once again, let us not forget to thank our judges who presided over this wild card round. Thank you very much, Marketing Guru, Mr. Josiah Go, President of Bensan, Benjamin Santos, Vice President of the Federation of the Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, Mr. Henry Lim Bon Leong, and Miss Josie Go of Karimadon.
And guys, can you believe that we're going into the finals of Chinoypreneur next week?
I know, right? Parang it's been a few weeks lang na since we started, di ba?
Let's all hope for the best for the finalists as they face off for the top 3 spots and the title of the first ever Chinoypreneur Grand Champion.
Exciting, and I'm sure everyone will tune in again next week to find out who wins the top prize of Chinoypreneur, the first Philippine reality business challenge on Free TV.
Chinoypreneur!
All that and so much more. Only here on
Chinoy TV.
There you have it, mga Chinoy Barkada. 3 become 5.
Tama ka dyan. 3 become 5 talaga.
At dahil sa nangyaring yan, lalo pong humigpit ang laban. I'm simply amazed with Chinoypreneur. And imagine, these kids battling it out for their school's pride and for their future.
Tama ka dyan, Jason. So, good luck po sa inyong lahat. 祝我们所有的参赛者好运，加油哦! And of course, if you like our Chinoy Speak this week, you can definitely download it for free if you like our official Facebook fan page.
And if you want to get the freshest update, follow us on Twitter. It's CHIFCTV. If you want the latest behind-the-scenes updates and pictures of upcoming episodes.
Thank you so much, Bambi Ong for my hair and makeup, and Dr. Tina Ngo of Dental Files.
Thank you so much. And we'd like to say thank you to New Tall Restaurant and our participating schools. They are Chengguang High School, PIQC, Chiang Kai-shek College, and St. Stephen High School. And we'd like to say thank you for our venue today. Napansin niyo ba? Ang ganda ng place natin dito. Yes, and we're here actually at EDSA Shangri-La. And we'd like to say thank you to Miss Claire Hernandez, the Communications Manager. Thank you for a big help. And for my sponsors, I'd like to say thank you to Frigo Jeans for my outfit. And, ito pa, shoes ko, Converse shoes. And, ito pa, bagong sponsor ko for my contact lens. They are Fresh Look Color Blend. Dr. Lai, Dr. Cathy, and doctors from Gems Optical, Dr. Jeanline, Dr. Emmy, Dr. Mary Jane, and Jet Car. Maraming salamat po.
Ang dami nun. Next time, dapat masakay namin sa kotse mo.
Ay, oo. Bago na ang team ko. Guys, bago na.
And of course, we would also like to thank Mr. George Go of Canyon Co. for the venue of this week's Chinoy Speak. And also FSCCCII for the venue of Chinoypreneur's Wildcard Division.
Next week, mga kabarkada, lives will change. Dreams will come true for the finale of our Chinoypreneur and the finale of our Season 3.
Time flies so fast. Guys, napansin nyo ba? Parang yesterday lang yung start ng Season 3 natin. Next week na ang...
Finale na.
Parang last week na natin for the Season 3. So, you should watch talaga next week. Okay?
Napakabilis nga talaga dahil time is up.
Chinoy Barkada, alis na kami. See you next week. Only here on Chinoy TV. Tara, swimming na tayo.